Hello everyone. Welcome to tutorial 5. In this tutorial I'm gonna demonstrate how to use Grable and we'll be creating a small city block. To begin with, we need to open a 3ds Max window, a fresh window, and for this particular exercise we need to download Grable from the maxclanky.com.plugin. You can get a latest version of the Grable plugin. And once, so I have this software or a plugin already downloaded in my software setup file, so I just need to link it with the 3ds Max. So to link the Grable plugin, we need to go to customize and over here configure user and system path, and in this third party plugin, so I already have my plugin already installed, the Grable plugin. So I just need to you just need to add over here, and wherever the plugin is saved you just need to link it like this and use path. So I won't be doing use path since my already one plugin has been added. So just add and then press OK. So after doing this, we need to create one box in the 3D, a small box sort of thing, and you can just make it like equal size, 30 by 30 by 30. Yeah, and you can create another like sphere over here. A slightly one sphere would be bigger one, and another sphere could be a smaller one, and you need to ensure that this sphere should intersect with the bigger sphere. So I will maximize this window since we will be working on this window prominently. So I'll just take both this model slightly up, and even I'll just take this, bring this side slightly up. So after moving this object, we need to go to modify panel, or firstly we need to select the box and go to modify panel and need to search for Grable. So once after clicking this Grable, you can see there is some undulations on the box that we created. So we can just simply experiment with this value so you get an idea of how it goes. Similarly, maximum height of the Grable could be, if I select maximum height, yeah, and even this Grable, what you see over here, this edges can be tapered. So as you can see, this gets taper. Further, in the widgets, so widgets are this portion what you see on the screen, this particular objects. So you can increase the minimum size, maximum size, and maximum height, so it would sort of extrude from this box. And density, you can change the density of it. So what I'll do is I'll just keep the density a bit, and yeah, so maximum height I can suggest, and sort of like a puzzle, it looks like somewhat a puzzle. So again I'll just keep this as a flat object, and yeah, so I'll keep it intact. And density can be varied. So now we can just delete this object and we can just go about the Deathstar using Grable. So for that we need to select this face and go to create panel. We need to change, we need to search for, look for boolean, so that we can found in compound object, and we over here it's a pro boolean, it says pro boolean, and we can simply select another object. So you see, we'll just pick one object, so it gets subtracted, this portion gets subtracted. Now I'll be changing this face setting to edge faces, so you can see the faces are divided on this scale. So in the modify panel, so we can adjust the operands. So over here, if you can see, even if you move this, it's in reference with the cut object that we created. So we will keep it somewhat like that, in the middle a bit, and we can simply make it a bit larger. After placing the object at your desired location, what you can do is you can select this Boolean, and later the biggest peer, sorry, and you can search for Grable in the modifier list, and here we go. So okay, there's some issue with this. Let me see. Panel height. Okay. Yeah, so if you have more number of height, this will look somewhat like this, since it's a concave spherical object. So you can keep a bare minimum height, and you can have a taper. So as you saw earlier, yeah, the more the taper, you just taper this so it looks like a spike ball. I'll just experiment few of this. Select top, so it selects the topmost portion. Select sides, so it will select the side faces over here in this. So now what we'll do is, by experimenting, now we are done with the Grable. So further, I'll just turn off this Grable once and add a edit poly to from this modifier tab. So over here we need to select polygon. Okay, yeah, polygon, and we need to click on one face and select object holding the shift key. Okay, I think it should be in loop. Okay, sorry, my bad. So we need to, I'll just try this once again. You need to go to polygon, select one face. Oh, sorry. You need to go to polygon, select one face, select, and just drag your cursor below and click, just click on it. And similarly we'll be doing it for pending faces. Okay, so once we have selected this, we'll be excluding this surface from the Grable selection. After selecting this particular face, we need to go to edit and select, we need to just invert the face. So now once we turn on the Grable, okay, I didn't link it with, okay, sorry, my bad. I had to invert. I'll just repeat this step once again. I have inverted. Okay, sorry. I have already inverted my face, and once I turn on the Grable, it will be on this particular face. Whereas I can again try to invert this and apply Grable, so it will be Either it will apply on this face and leave this as a blank. I'll repeat this step once again. So yep, so we did all the steps, and later we just need to add edit poly. So under edit poly we just need to drag this layer below and turn off the gravity for once. So select polygon, and now again we need to make a proper selection. So just click on it and drag your cursor below and click once, and remaining again you need to click on one face. Oh sorry, need to click on one face, click it, select, and then again select, and once you see one whole segment is selected, you just need to go over here, invert face, and if you turn on the grable, it will be that particular segment will be secluded. So this is all about the grable. So thanks for watching this video. This is just a part A. In the next tutorial, the grable part B will be about the city modeling, like a random city modeling. All right, see you guys. Thank you.